Hello everyone, welcome back to Karen's English Hub. We are continuing with the summaries of 6th class English, and so far we have completed Unit 2, Unit 1, and in Unit 3 we have completed Reading A and Reading B, and we have come to the end of Unit 3 here. C reading, that is Wilma Rudolph. Okay, so it is very inspirational text. Let us quickly move to the slide here. We have reading C. Look at the highlighted words there. So we have seen how the little girl Tess, with strong faith and determination, saved her little brother Andrew. Let us read a poem on faith. Okay, so in the reading A, we have seen Tess, a small girl. She had a lot of faith in saving her brother. So she finally saved her brother anyhow, and it is only her faith and determination which saved her brother. Okay, so we have some other poem also on faith. Let us just go through those lines. Faith is the success in life. Faith is the catalyst within. Faith is the belief to begin. Faith is the foundation and the frame. Faith is the power that helps you win. Faith is the concentration of your brain. Faith is the power to know and to do. Faith is the cure for no and those that lose. Faith is your spirit, your swines, your soul. Faith is the body that truly has all control. Faith is the beginning and the end. Faith is everything therein. Faith can move mountains and valleys and hills, but faith can do nothing unless you are there. So, whenever you feel that you lost all the faith, you lost all the success, you are at the edge of the losing, you just go through this poem on faith, and I hope this will give you a lot of courage, a lot of strength to go through that type of failure. Okay, so just two, Roman number 2 here. Can you imagine a disabled person winning a gold medal in Olympics? Okay, a disabled person winning a gold medal in Olympics. Imagine that is Olympics, and the person is disabled. So let's read a story about an extraordinary girl who has done that. Oh my god, see here, it is extraordinary. Okay, you can see the picture of a girl here, that is exactly Wilma Rudolph, and she was a disabled girl, and she also won what? Yeah, gold medal in Olympics. Okay, in Olympics, just imagine disabled girl won gold medal at Olympics. Okay, let us quickly go through her biography here. So Wilma Rudolph was born in a poor family in Tennessee. This is America, US. So you can see on her shirt that is USA. So at the age of 4, she had pneumonia with scarlet fever, which left her paralyzed with polio. Okay, so she had a pneumonia, that is a disease, and she had also a scarlet fever, which usually leave people paralyzed with polio in the small age, and it was happened all to her when she was what, 4. Okay, when she was at the age of 4. So she had to wear a brace, and the doctor said that she would never put her foot on earth. Okay, brace in the sense just like tying up your leg so that you don't fall down. Okay, so next, the doctor also said, see beta, you cannot get up, you should not put your leg, you should not put your foot on earth, you will not be able to walk. But her mother encouraged her. Though doctor said like that, her mother encouraged her a lot. She told Wilma that with God given ability, persistence, and faith, she could do anything she wanted. See here, though the doctor said you should not, stand or should not walk, and also will not be able to walk. See, a mother can do anything. Okay, so just like that. So Wilma Rudolph's mother gave this little kid lot of courage, lot of persistence, and lot of faith. And she also said, see, God has given ability, so we shall do anything, we shall do whatever that is able for you. Okay, so you have to do something. So Wilma said, I want to be the fastest woman runner in the world. See, one side she is paralyzed and she is on the bed, and another side, what is the desire? She wants to be the fastest woman runner. Can we imagine that type of desires ever? No, I think not. So the age of 9, against the advice of the doctor, okay, she rejected the advice of the doctor, and at the age of 9, she removed the brace. Okay, whatever the supporter that is there for her leg, she removed that supporter and took the first step. Okay, so she started to walk at the age of 9. So at the age of 13 she entered her first race and came away way last. Okay, so at the age of 13 she also participated. Okay, at the age of 9 she started to walk, and at the age of 13 she finally entered a competition, but she lost there. Okay, she lost, and then she came back, and finally, yeah, so finally, and she entered her second and third and fourth races. So though she was not able to run that much good, one she was paralyzed, and another way she is another on the other hand she is trying to improve her running, and she lost in the first, second, third, fourth, and came way last until a day came when she came in the first. See how much faith that this Wilma Rudolph has. She lost in the first race, second race, third race, fourth race. I think she might have lost many more races, but finally there was a day when she won the first prize when she came first. Okay, let us see when it was. Yeah, so at the age of 15, she went to Tennessee State University, where she met a coach by the name of Ed Temple. Okay, so at the age of 15, she went to university there. Okay, State University, where she met a coach. Okay, running coach, and his name is Ed Temple. Ed. Okay, Ed Temple. So she told him, "I want to be the fastest runner in the world." Okay, the same desire that she expressed in front of her mother, the same she expressed in front of her coach also. So then Temple said, the man said, "With your spirit nobody can stop you, and besides I will help you." Okay, and what did he say? "See, Wilma, if you have that much of strength, that much of spirit, okay, nobody can stop you, and I am always there beside you to help you also, so you need not to worry, we shall do it." Yeah, so the day came when she was at the Olympics. Okay, so finally she had made her way to the Olympics, and that was the greatest day of her life. And at the Olympics, you are matched with the best of the best, of course. Okay, all the best runners across the world, all the best runners of the countries will come to the Olympics, and of course, you have to, take your all the strength, take all your capabilities there out, okay, to win in the races, because you are competed with the best of the world. So Wilma was matched against the woman named Jutta Hene. Okay, so Wilma had to compete here against the woman whose name was Jutta Hene, who had never beaten, okay, who had never been beaten till then. Jutta Hene was Jutta, let me call her Jutta. So she did not lose in any of the matches in Olympics. Okay, so the first event was the 100-meter race. The first event was going on, so Wilma bet Jutta here, Jutta Hene, and won her first gold medal. Oh my God! See here, just starting itself, there was 100-meter race, and in that 100-meter race, Wilma bet, okay, beat Jutta. Okay, so Jutta is defeated, and Wilma won the first gold medal. And the second event was the 200-meter race, and Wilma beat Jutta a second time and won her second gold medal. Oh my God! In the second running race also, that is 200-meter running race, again Wilma and Jutta, they have finally, they were running to the success end there, and the race was between these two girls, these two women. And in that race also, in the 200-meter race also, Wilma was won. And then the third event was the 400-meter relay. Okay, relay in the sense, no, for each 100 meters this team will be standing there. Okay, four members, one team will be at the 100 meters distances. So a team, four team members will be standing here, so the four other team members will be standing in one place like that in the 400 meters. So for example, if I am of team A, I have to go and give my stick to the team A member who is standing at the another 100-meter distance. Okay, and from there the stick follows. Okay, that is called as baton. Okay, the stick that they hold is called as baton. So they have to pass that baton till the success mark there. Okay, so that is called as relay. And she was racing against Jutta one more time she had to race against Jutta. So in relay, the fastest person always runs the last lap, and they both anchored their teams. Okay, so what happens in is, So the whoever the slow runner is there, that person is placed actually at the starting, and in the last 100 meters where that is the very crucial and important moment, there the team's fastest runner will be placed. So till the baton reaches them, they will be encouraging the other three members of their team. So this Wilma and Jutta, they are standing at the final 100 meters race. Okay, yeah. So the first three people ran and changed the baton very easily. When it came to Wilma's turn, she dropped the baton. Oh my god, see, it is very crucial moment. The last 100 meters is very crucial in the relay. So what happened here? So the three members have run very quite well. So when the baton came to Wilma, Wilma could not hold it properly and she dropped it. Okay, but Wilma saw Jutta shoot up at the other end. Okay, so when she lost her baton on the ground, Wilma also saw that Jutta was taking that her baton and she was also running. And she picked up the baton. Wilma picked up the baton and ran like a machine. Okay, see, ran like a machine and beat Jutta third time. Again, she beat Jutta. Okay, again, Wilma won the 400 meter relay also and won her third gold medal. See, it was her desire to win just one gold medal in Olympics. And how many gold medals did she win? She won 3 gold medals, and it became a history. Okay, and also it became a history that a paralytic woman became the fastest woman on this earth at the 1960 Olympics. And when was it? In 1960 Olympics. See, she was a not normal woman. She was a paralytic woman, and though she was paralytic, she competed with the women who are very much normal and very much active. And finally, this Wilma Rudolph, see her beautiful smile. Look at her beautiful face there after winning the race. That might be. So she finally won 3 gold medals continuously in single Olympics, and the Olympics were held in the 1960 year. Okay, so very inspirational and very faithful lesson we have in Unit 3, Wilma Rudolph. Okay, so I hope you all to have faith whenever you feel that you are almost over, almost you are dead, almost you are ended up. Have faith in yourself. Okay, so that faith will of course lead you to the success like this. Okay, so Wilma also is just an ordinary girl and just like be a normal girl just like you all. And also she was also a paralyzed girl. Though she was paralyzed, she did not lose her faith, she did not lose her courage. So most of the girls are very good. Okay, all the girls are very good. Okay, they don't have any type of physical problems. So see how we should be able to grasp our success. Okay, so not like Wilma, we should be more successful than this Wilma Rudolph. Okay, so I hope you will all do that, and we shall complete this text here, and in the next video we shall go through reading A of Unit 4, an adventure. Okay, so you can go through all this Unit 1, 2, 3, all these lessons in my channel. So to have all the information and to have all the future videos updates, please subscribe to my channel so that you will get all the notifications whenever I upload new video. And also I have divided all the videos of 6th class into one playlist. So if you just click on the playlist, you will get all these text explanation along with grammar parts also. So with that small text and small explanation, I shall conclude my text here. So see you all. God bless you.